Hey guys, it's your girl Stephanie here. I'm here with another video. Y'all see my shirt? Pray like lives depend on it. All right, I'm here today with a video. Got my little ponytail. So today I'm gonna do a ring light. It's a DIY ring light. So we got a couple things that we need in order to do this. I bought all my stuff from Walmart, and everything was like right under $20. I think it was like maybe everything might have came up to like $18. This was in the section, the flower section. It only cost like a couple of dollars. These are the lights. They were in this box. Don't let them tell you that they told me that they didn't have any of these lights. They only out during around Christmas time. That was a lie. I had to go look for them. So they were in the light bulb section. And they were thinking that they were over by the Christmas section. They are in the light bulb section. And you get the 16 inch. And it comes with this, but I'll need another extension cord. I got the zip ties. I got two sizes. I got the 11 inch, but I had like a container, and I don't know how many inches these is, but I'm gonna use these because they smaller, and I got a lot of them. You need aluminum foil, wax paper, aluminum foil, scissors, and so and you need cardboard. But I already cut my cardboard out. So what you got to do first, we have to wrap the aluminum foil around. Here is the first thing that I'm gonna do to get started. All right, let's go. Next, we have to take this and string the lights around it. First thing we do is the end piece. No, this is the end piece that goes to, that snaps on here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this piece and put it through the ring, put it through like the bottom part. Put it through there so it'll be sticking out. And make sure when you putting the lights around it, you put it on around here. You see this part, like one part pops up and one part lays down, one part is flat. Put the lights around the part that pops up, so when your lights turn on, it could be on the pop-up part and it'll pop out at you. Boop, boop. So let's get started. broke. We're gonna switch to the bigger ones because the little ones broke. All right, guys, so I got it on. We got it on. And so now it's time to attach the aluminum foil. And so I think I kind of like, I might have did it backwards. The part that you plug in, I probably should have put it, I think, around the short part so it could go through the back, so it could go through here. Instead, mine is going to come like down here at the bottom. But I guess it's all right, as you know, as long as it works. You see what I'm saying? So mine is going to come down here. Instead of, if I had did it on the inside rim, it would have came through here. So I'm getting ready to put that on there. I'm going to attach it. See, I attached it. It's attached on the back. That one's not working. Aluminum foil. Guess what, y'all? I'm done. I didn't put the wax paper around it, but look at your girl's glow. Yes! Wait, you can see all my spots. Look at your girl's glow. The ring light is behind my camera. So I'm gonna show it to you. Look. Look at that. And that's without the wax paper. I'm gonna fix that at the top. That's without the wax paper. DIY ring light. I tried to put it on my, let's see. Whoa. Okay. Stand up, Poe. Look at that. Yeah. I tried to put it on my my stand, but I gotta figure out how to put it up there. So, but y'all, look at your girl. Look at that light. Look at that light. Right now, I just got it leaning. I got it leaning up against that right there. So I think I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put this part right here. Put that, I just got it leaning right now. And I'm gonna try it with the wax paper to see if it's any difference. But that should glow. And I turned all the lights off. I turned all the lights off in here so you could see it. Still, it brights up the whole living room. It does. Oh my God, look like I got a little glow right there. Yo. Let's see. So that is my ring light. DIY Steph, your girl. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Swipe, subscribe. Yes. Hey, Hunty, I think I might do 2 of them and put them on the stand. I can have 2 of them going on. Yes, we can see all that stuff on my face. All right, y'all. Peace out.